Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Read Code Daily Challenge question. So the question is max sum of a pair with equal sum of digits. So you are given a zero indexed array nums consisting of positive integers. You can choose two indices I and j such that I is not equal to j and the sum of digits of number nums of I is equal to that of nums of j. Okay, and we have to return the maximum value of nums of I plus nums of j that you can obtain over all possible indices I and j that satisfy the condition. So what we have to do, we have to return the maximum value of nums of I plus nums of j, where the sum of digit of nums of I is equal to sum of digit of nums of j. So let's say this example, we see, let's consider this. First, let's find the sum of digits. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 3 plus 6 is what? 9. 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 7. So these are our sum 9, 7, 9 and 4. Okay, sum of digit of this is 7 only. So how many pairs are there? How many pairs we can build where its sum is equal? So you can have this one pair and you can have this another pair. This pair. Okay, so 18 and 36. 18 plus 36 as we have to find the sum, which is equal to what? 54, not 50, yeah, 54. And the another pair is which we are getting is 43 and 7, this 43 and 7, which is 50. So which is the maximum? Of course 54, so it will return 54. So like that we have to find the pairs which has the same sum of its digits. Okay. Now let's say we have one more, that is 7 and 2, or 27, that is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now how many have? We have three numbers, but how many pairs we can have? 18 plus 36, 18 plus 27, 27 plus 36. Okay, so like that we can have multiple pairs divided by 2 anyway we have to do, because that is fine, but we have to find the maximum. So what we can do, we can consider the maximum value instead, right? What we will do, we will consider the maximum value. Like for example, okay, before that you understood the question, right? So what we have to do, and at the end, if we are not getting any such pairs which is the same sum of digits, then we have to return 1 minus 1. Okay, so what we will be doing, first thing is, after seeing this question, what comes in your mind is, we have to, as you can see, we have to find the same sum and then we have to take the pairs. So what data structure or what thing you can use here is map. Okay, either it can be array map, or you can use a Java, like hash map and tree map and all. Okay, why? Because to key will be this and value will be a list of numbers which has the same sum of digits, and then later you can find the maximum two digits and then find the sum of it. Okay, so that is one case. Another thing is, even here you can see what is our range, 10 raised to 9. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So what will be the maximum sum you will get? 1, 3, 4. Yeah, this will be our maximum number. Okay. And what will be the maximum sum we will get is 81. That means our sum will be from what? From 1, not even 1. Let's say we will not we don't want a list. Instead what we will do is, we will consider the maximum is 81 sum. So what we can do, array of sum we can maintain an array of sum from the 0 to 81. So for that sum, how many numbers are getting? For example, let's say Let's say we have index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So for this 9, first we got 18, so we will store 18 here. For 9 we will store 18 here initially. Then we got what? Then we got 27. So what we will do, if 18 is already there, then what we can do is do the addition with 27 and maximize our value. That is 18 plus 27 will be 40, 43 something. So 43 will be our maximum answer initially. So let's say max is equal to 43 initially, and then we will put the maximum value of out of this. So 18 and 27, which is maximum? 27. So we'll put 27. Now next, when we get 9, is, let's say our this was below this, so we got 36 as a sum as 9. So again we will check, yes, so we will maximize. 36 plus 27 will be what? For 63. So 63 and 43, which is maximum? 63. And out of these two, 36 and 27, which is maximum? 36. So every time when we get a same sum of digit, then what we will do, we will update our that hash array, and we will maximize our value. We really don't need to store all the numbers. Then the other choices, you can store in a map all the numbers, and then instead of that, this will be a better because we know the size. Okay, so let's start coding what we want. Before that, to find this sum, we will write a function, public int get get digit sum, where we will pass a number, and it will return us a sum of digits. So initially it is 0, while my num is not equal to 0. Okay, and here we will take int, or instead I can do directly sum plus equal to num percent 10. Okay, num percent 10 means, for example, if we have 1, 2, 3, if I do this percent 10, then what will be the remainder if you divide this number by 10 is 3. So we will sum with 3. Again, next time, what I want, num slash equal to 10. So we will divide it by 10. If I divide it by 10, what will be the number I get is 12. So next time, 12% 10 will be 2. Sum plus 3 plus 2 and 1, like that we'll get the sum. So we have to return this sum. Okay, so this is the function to get a digit of sum. Now we have an int hash array, I'll consider, which will be equal to new hash, new int. What will be the size? 82, because our maximum sum can be 81. That can be the index. Now for int num num of nums, first I'll get sum. Sum is equal to what? This get some digit, where we will pass our num. This is sum of digit which we got. Then what we will do, first we will check if my hash of this sum is greater than 0. That means there is a already element present. Okay, yeah, initially all will be 0, and you can see our numbers can be from 1 to 10 raised to 9, right? So if it is greater than 0, that means we have something to compare it with. Okay, so what we will write, what we will take one as maximum answer, and max is equal to -1. And here what we will do is max is equal to mat dot max of this max with what? With the sum, with the sum, which sum is initial, this the initial digit and the current digit. So hash of sum, what we will get? Initial digit plus the current digit is what? Num. Current digit is nums. So we will find the maximum, and then what we will do? We will store what? In hash of sum, we will store mat dot max of this hash of sum, comma num. Okay, so here what we did, initially, let's say here in this example, initially we had this 18 in our that array, and then again again one this sum came number came with the same sum. What we will do, out of this 18 and 36, okay, first we will find the sum of these two, because we have to find the sum, right? At the end we have to maximize the sum, and then we will maximize the value, and at the end again we will store out of 18 and 36, which is maximum, we will store in hash array, so that for the next iteration, when we get new number with the same sum of its digits, then it's easy to compare with the maximum value. Okay, and then we will return at the end our max. Let's run this. Okay, yeah, so let me just comment it out. Sometimes it happens, most of the times it happens with me. I just forgot to come. Yeah, you can say accepted. Let's submit this code. Yeah, you can say our solution got accepted, and in this way you can solve these questions. As I say, there are many different ways to solve this question, but in my videos, uh, I'm discussing some, like for example in today's video, instead of a map, I explained with the hash array, using hash array. We can use a map as well. Okay, but the thing is, it will take some more like time complexity, and of course, because we will be storing all the numbers, then we have to sort it, or you can use a different thing to sort, like heap and all. You can use and take the top two element and all. So that is a different thing. But in this video, I explain the question using the hash array. Okay, as we know the size, so why can't we use hash array? If we don't know the size, okay, then we can use different map and all. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.